Hey, the next questions coming from the physiology skin. In this, mostly be concentrated on the thermoregulation, heart, loss and gain mechanism in our body, functions of the skin, mechanism of thermoregulation during the winters. In blood, what is coagulation of blood? Intrinsic and extrinsic mechanism of coagulation of blood, and a note on hemophilia. Mechanism of coagulation. Anticoagulants, how do they act? Describe the factors and pathway of blood coagulation, clotting mechanism. Erythropoiesis, different leukocytosis with function. Short answer questions in blood, blood groups, platelets, composition and function of lymph, plasma proteins and its functions, anemia, jaundice, immunity, lymphocytes. Explain the consequences of mismatched blood transfusion, blood volume and its regulation. Phagocytosis, bleeding and clotting disorders, erythroblastosis fetalis, blood indices and Kernick Terrace. Very short answer questions like hematocrit value, blood picture in iron deficiency in anemia, erythrocyte sedimentation rate ESR, explain the fate of hemoglobin after the hemolysis, blood moves towards the heart in the lower limb, Landstein's law. In reproduction, some of the questions like functions of the placenta, double Bohr effect, it is seen in the blood, functions of placenta, ovulation, spermatogenesis with diagram, contraceptive methods, menstrual cycle, Sertoli cells, ovarian cycle, LH surge, corpus luteum, pregnancy test and estrogen. In endocrinology, long, thyroid, synthesis, its regulation, functions of the hormone, secreted by thyroid gland, the thyroxine, applied aspects, and insulin, its synthesis, its functions, insulin regulation, its various anti-insulins in our body, diabetes, adrenal cortex, mineral glucocorticoids, your sex hormones, functions, regulation of hormones secreted, effect of adrenal cortical hormones on skeletal muscles, name the hormones involved in calcium, homeostasis, functions, and regulation of any of them. Short answer questions: parathyroid, cretinism, goitry, glucocorticoids, clinical features of myxedema, growth hormone, adrenal medulla, thyroid function test, acromegaly, Addison's disease, CNS, longly, name the nuclei of basal ganglia, describe the functions of basal ganglia with relevant functions, and a note on Parkinsonism. Corticospinal tracts plays most important role in CNS and effect on degeneration on the functions. Describe origin, course and termination of pyramidal tract with help of label diagram. Trace the pyramidal pathways and I add a note on hemiplegia. Pain pathway. What is referred pain? Explain the theories of referred pain. Extrapyramidal pathway. Describe the various functions of hypothalamus, role of cerebral cortex in regulating the muscle activity, spinothalamic pathway, internal capsule. Shortly, you need to be concentrated on NRM, non-REM and REM sleep. Vestibular apparatus, functions of thalamus, explain any of them. Cerebellum, functions of cerebellum functions, structure and properties of neuron, postural reflexes, explain a reflex arc with the help of diagram, deep reflexes, Parkinson's and physiological basis of a drug used in its treatment, differences between the UMN and LMN lesions, ECG waves in a condition which has been seen, neuroglia, reticular formation, light reflex, spinal cord pathway, your ascending and descending tracts, limbing system, components and its functions, functions of brainstem, nerve fibers, classification, properties, regeneration and degeneration, aphasia, definition and its types. VSAQs give a brief account of the ARAS, physiological basis and positive sign in UMN lesions, Babinski sign, CSF, circulation function formation, receptors, sound waves are seen in amplified from tympanic membrane to oval window. Intentional tremors are seen in cerebellar diseases, otic ganglion, sleep centers, Golgi tendon organ, muscle spindle, plantar reflex, Brown sequence syndrome. Your GTI, salivary secretion, functions of saliva, circus entericus, functions of the bile, list the compositions of pancreatic juice, balanced diet, exocrine glands, pancreas, functions of liver, phases of pancreatic secretion, peristalsis, mechanism of secretion of rich in the stomach, functions of the small intestine, your large intestine, defecation, deglutition, gastric secretion and its regulation, steatorrhea seen in stone in bile duct, macrocytic anemia seen in diseases of the stomach, movements of intestine, bile salts, clinical importance of lumbar puncture, GIT hormones, gastric dysphagia, hepatitis, shame feeding, secreting, appendicitis, diarrhea, dietary fiber. In excretion, some of the questions are GFR, structure and